People often overcomplicate bourbon. Fancy glasses, pretentious cocktails.
But that's not actually how most of us will drink it.
What's that? It's a cocktail. You could fall in love with an orangutan in that.
Don't get us wrong, we love a good Glencairn as much as anybody.
But bourbon drinking isn't always about being fancy. It's about good bourbon and sharing it the way you actually drink it.
Yes. So today we are sharing 3 bourbons that are perfect for fall, each with a bonus cocktail that you'll actually want to make.
And Scott, we keep it simple. We don't need any of this stuff.
Let's go. Today, we're sharing the bottles that we are reaching for this fall. Bourbons and a rye that we think will fit this season perfectly.
We'll taste them neat. We're going to break down the stats. Then we're going to share one simple cocktail for each bottle.
Featuring the smartest ice maker on the market.
Breathtaking. I mean, that thing is good.
If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future episodes. We've got plenty of bourbon hunts, reviews, more cocktails coming your way.
All right. Let's get started.
Bottle number 1 today. Holiday Soft Red Wheat, bottled and bond. This one's not just any bourbon. Holiday is a real Missouri bourbon. Yeah, that's a thing. It means all of what goes in this is mashed, distilled, aged, and bottled right here in the state of Missouri.
All Missouri.
Yes.
And get this. So Weston, the town of Weston, where Holiday is located, it's surrounded by apple orchards. And they actually host their own festival every single fall. So when you sip this, you're actually really tasting a local tradition.
Yeah.
Basically. Fall in the glass, rooted in place.
In Missouri.
Right there in Weston.
All right, stats on this. Like I said, bottled and bond, 100 proof. Right here says 6 years old. The mash bill, 73% corn, 15% soft red wheat, and 12% malted barley. Why this is good for fall? For one, it is a soft red wheat. It's mellow, has a bready sweetness. It's just perfect for cozy bourbon evenings. Give it a try.
Buttercream, vanilla aroma, caramel with a nice touch of baking spice. Going in. Cheers.
Cheers.
More of that creamy mouthfeel, good amount of baking spice. Really, really lovely. Easy to sip, very approachable, perfect proof. Really good.
You want to make it even better?
What's that?
It's called the Holiday Toast. One ounce of Holiday soft red wheated bourbon, 2 ounces of this Irish cream, 1/2 ounce of honey cinnamon syrup. Shake well until chilled. Strain into a rocks glass over some Nugget ice and garnish it with a dash of ground cinnamon. There you go, the Holiday Toast.
Cheers. That's special. It's rich, sweet. That bourbon keeps it just really, really balanced. This is perfect after a really nice fall meal.
Mm-hmm.
Just picture it.
What do you have for fall meal? What are you gonna have?
Pot roast.
Warm pot roast.
Yes.
And then the Holiday Toast.
Yes. Bottle number 2. Bardstown Bourbon Company Origin Series Rye, finished in cherry and oak barrels. Bardstown's rye is part of what they call their Origin Series.
Mm-hmm.
It's a line of products that they actually distill in-house.
All their own juice.
All their own juice. And that's a pretty big deal for them. They build the mash ferment all in-house. They distill, they age, and they bottle everything right there at their distillery in Kentucky. It says right here on the front, it's finished in toasted cherry wood and oak barrels.
Sounds delicious.
Yes. Has a very, very creative finish with the cherry and the oak staves. So those staves are kind of all integrated into the barrel. They kind of vary in each barrel, and then all of that is toasted actually, and that's kind of where it gets those cozy fruit flavors. Call it like a warm, spicy note. Everything's right here on the side of the bottle. This is 96 proof, and the mash bill is a 95.5 made at Bardstown. Age is 6 years. And this was distilled in the spring of 2017. It's written right there on the bottle.
Nice. I think you should pour me some. I've never actually tried this. Little cherry wood coming through, vanilla, rye spice. Let's try it. Cheers.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Tell me what you're picturing right now.
I'm sitting by a fire. It's really cozy.
Inside or outside?
Outside. The weather is cool. Rustling of leaves and deer and fall fruit dropping from the trees.
All right, open them.
That was fun.
Okay, I'm going to make you a cocktail from this.
I am down for that.
You ready?
Yes.
The Horse Feather, a Kansas City original. We've got 2 ounces of rye whiskey, 4 ounces of spicy ginger beer, and 5 dashes of Angostura bitters. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, and we're going to garnish with a cherry. What do you think?
Wow. That looks refreshing. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh. That is excellent.
Wait, close your eyes.
Oh,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Clean, refreshing, lively. This is a good daily sipper. Nice and cool, refreshing. Good for a football game.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna eat this.
And it's incredibly easy to make. It might be the easiest drink that we make today.
Oh yeah. This is so good and easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Another sip. Man. That is like a perfect combo. Perfect selection. Good job. All right, quick pause. Let's be real. The star of that cocktail, it's the ice. And that's where today's sponsor comes in. This is the Ecozy Nugget Ice and Water Dispenser.
Forget trays, forget bags from the gas station. This thing makes the good stuff. Nugget ice. The kind you get at like a great bar or a Sonic drive-in.
What's Sonic?
Nugget ice makes cocktails brighter, soft drinks more refreshing, and even the water tastes better.
We've been using ours constantly in the kitchen, in the bar, and even here in the studio. It's convenient, quiet, and just keeps pumping out ice all day long. It's made everything from cocktails to late night hydration way easier.
And here's the first big perk. It's 100% touchless dispensing, no scooping, no spills, no mess.
And check this out. It's got the Ice Lumex full color panel, real-time water quality and temperature, vibrant icons, even ambient lighting that turns on when you reach for ice. That means midnight hydration without stumbling around in the dark.
And it's smart. With the Ecozy Home app or Alexa or Google Assistant, you can start or stop making ice on that machine remotely.
And cleaning? One button. Auto cleaning mode does all the work for you.
Now here's the kicker. It doesn't even need a water line.
What?
You just fill the tank. That means you can put it anywhere. You can put it in your kitchen. You can put it in your home bar. You can put it in your workout room. You could put it in your bourbon studio. Totally portable, totally flexible.
It's not just about ice. This machine dispenses water with precision, down to the very ounce.
Bottom line, this isn't just an ice maker. It is better cocktails, it is better hydration, and better everyday living. We've been using ours nonstop and it hasn't missed a beat.
If you want to step up your cocktail game or just make life a little easier, check out the Ecozy Nugget Ice and Water Dispenser. There's a link down in the description.
Now, back to the bourbon.
Let's go. Finally, bottle number 3 is the 13th Colony Bourbon finished with Maplewood Spirals. 13th Colony is the oldest distillery in Georgia, still operating in its original facility since Prohibition, and their 113 series bourbon is a limited release, and it's finished with Maplewood Spirals. Stats on this: 113 proof, it's aged 5 to 6 years, mash bill is 70% corn, 21% rye, and 9% malted barley. This is perfect for fall. The maple wood finish adds richness, depth, boldness, sweetness, perfect for the fall season. You want to try some?
Pour it up.
Yes. Try that thing.
Look at the color on that.
It's dark and red.
It is so reddish.
Maple. Like sugar maple leaves in the fall.
This looks like a fall beverage, doesn't it? Oh, maple syrup. There's a touch of smoke on there. I love it. It's like a smoky campfire. Going in. Cheers. Oh yeah. More of that maple. A touch of like a semi-sweet chocolate. A little clove. A little bit of that smoke carried over. Very crisp. Very nice proof. Nice hug. Warms you up. This is perfect. Definitely a statement pour.
It is. You should try it in a cocktail. What we're making today is the Maple Apple Cinnamon Old Fashioned. That came from one of our social club members, Frank Rapp. Thank you.
The Frank Rapp Mac Old Fashioned. I can't wait.
Yep.
And if you'd like more bourbon content, giveaways, and a community that is just as excited about bourbon as you are, join us over at artfullybourbon.com. Link down there in the description. Okay, lights, camera, action.
The Mac Old Fashioned syrup, 1 cup of water, 1 cup good sugar, 1.5 apples, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cinnamon stick, and there's an option to taste 1 teaspoon of maple extract. 1/4 of an ounce of white dog as a preservative. The Mac Old Fashioned recipe, 2 ounces of 13 Colony 113 proof maple bourbon, 1 ounce of maple apple cinnamon syrup. On the rim, we dip it in apple cider and then mix it with a cinnamon sugar mix. Stir until chilled and well diluted. Garnish it with an apple.
Wow.
Yeah,
That is beautiful.
try that. And thank Rapp.
As you wish. Cheers.
Is that good or what?
This, my friend, fall in a glass. There's no more words.
Speechless, Scott. It's speechless.
It is. It is crisp, so refreshing, so flavorful. I love it.
Would you use any other bourbon in there than this? Is this
That-
the perfect one?
The smokiness with that maple, that woody kind of maple spiral is the perfect bourbon for this. The proof is perfect because it just gives you the right amount of spice, the right amount of kick to balance out that sweetness. This is damn good.
Yummy.
Yes.
Don't drink it all. We gotta be some B-roll. Well, there you have it. 3 bourbons, 3 cocktails, all perfect for fire pits, football, and fall nuts.
From creamy wheat to spicy rye to bold maple, you've got options no matter the occasion.
Now, we want to hear from you. What is your go-to bourbon or bourbon cocktail you prefer or like when the weather turns cool? Drop it in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss the next round of bourbon reviews and hunts.
And cheers to cocktails.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to fall. Cheers to you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, drink what you like.
And drink responsibly. Peace out, friends.
Peace.